In this short tutorial, you will learn how to change Google Assistant language. Changing the language can help you communicate better with the Google Assistant. It is easy to do, and you can choose from many languages based on your needs. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you see Google. Go ahead and tap on it. After that, tap All Services. Next up, scroll down a bit and tap Settings for Google Apps. This is where we can adjust various settings related to Google services, including Assistant. Now you need to find Search, Assistant, and Voice. Tap on that option. Then select Google Assistant. Now that you've accessed the Google Assistant settings, look for the Languages option and tap on it. Here you'll see your current Google Assistant language displayed. Tap on it. This will show you a list of available languages. Scroll through this list and choose any language you want. Tap and select the language. If you want to add another language, simply tap on Add a Language. Then choose from the extensive list of languages available here. Once you've made your selection, test out your newly selected language by asking Google Assistant something simple. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.